Well, welcome back to the channel. Me and Peanut are here in Manchester, New Hampshire, because UPS told me that it was going to be in Manchester, New Hampshire, the part I needed. We got here, and I looked, and it is in Chelmsford, Massachusetts, which is a town over from me. Is 11:15. They screwed up my whole morning, but there we go. Now we're in action. Fresh in from Germany. So let's give this another try. Here I am, back to chopping. Yeah, there's only 5 rows here. Corn planter really messes it up. I planted it, yep. It's a little dry, definitely a little dry. Not horrible, but I've had issues all week. Let me explain them. So first day we started off, broke a chain in the right side box. Pulled the pulley off, took forever to pull the pulley off. Didn't notice that there's 3 bolts that hold the whole shaft on. I think when we were pulling it off and hammering on the end to get it off, we had issues. And we broke the bearing on the other side that goes into the gearbox, or we messed it up to some degree. So with that being said, gearbox had issues, dropped the bearing, split the collar that goes reverse back and forth. So got that overnighted on Monday. Today's Wednesday. There was some issues. It got here. I had all sorts of issues with UPS this morning, sending it wrong place, not being open, not being able to pick it up. So I'm chopping now. I switched that pulley that we pulled off with the other one on the other other chopper. I really need to set up another gearbox just so I can switch it back and forth. The head has been loosening up on this gearbox on the little rotor. We Loctited it aggressively with 277 Loctite. Hopefully it stays tight. I don't know what else would cause it. It looks good, everything's tight, and so on and so on. The Mack had a keyway go out. The white truck had issues with the brakes on the one side. Or I mean, not the Mack. Yeah, the white truck had issues with the brakes on the trailer. Switched a can last night. Mack was leaking fuel. Fixed that. 7520, the charge pump, picked up a little piece of metal. I'll show you it at some point. Locked it up, sheared the keys off, was able to flip that gear around in the charge pump, have keys, so that's running. The clutch is on its way out, but I knew that was going to happen, so it's been a struggle. Been an absolute struggle. Today is Wednesday. Hopefully I actually get some acres done today. We'll see. Who knows? I have no expectation. I lost most of my help. I still got the 2 Austins, but that's it. Trying to get you guys some action shots. A little challenging. With me, myself, and I on the film crew. Little update here. So I'm like 2 miles just past my house, 2 miles away from the farm, and the trucks can't keep up with me. I'm running the farm 6-wheeler, the Mack, and the semi. So definitely the throughput of this head is a lot better. It definitely doesn't like if you hit the rows in the middle of the head. It falls weird. So learning that, but not the best corn by far. I'm hoping the next stuff, we're gonna go move across town. There's stuff right there that is a little greener, but if they shut down the center down tomorrow, Friday, it will make it a pain. So this is about 13 acres, I think, and I got a strip there, maybe a load or 2 left here. But yeah, I've been at this for like 3 hours, so does that put me at 4 acres an hour? Not the best stuff. And I'm sitting waiting on trucks to the point where I shut the head down and hang out, talk to you guys. Corn over there ain't too bad. It gets a little dry here, so this is where I put some 15-inch row. Oh, here comes the truck. Better get it going. Pretty decent corn here. This is worrying me though. Probably gonna get nasty this afternoon. At least that says that's 2 o'clock when that gets to that. It's 9:30 now, so we're gonna finish this up, and I'm gonna move across to a wet field or wetter ground, get that hopefully off, and then hopefully just keep pushing through this. It's crazy how all of this is just scattered. It's all over the place. This whole year's been a mess like that. There we go. We're right into some good corn. Got the whole Mack right up on me. Waiting on trucks. Some pretty good corn. Running a little high. It's a little bumpy in here for some reason. Got the head all figured out. So this was loosening up on me. Yeah, we got that fixed. But that's some pretty good corn. Ran out of water. Still green here though. It's hard to open these with one hand. The things I do for you guys. Yeah, all things considered, this is some nice corn. Real nice corn. So, lack of water, did pretty well. Right, bud? Could really use it. Truck or 2 more. They're only running 2 right now. I need another semi. Always something. Heard a noise. At least we were emptied out. Kernel processor. Tension pulley. The bearing went out. Good thing I got a parts chopper. Got it out. The tensioner rod. I don't know if you can see it there. Yeah, that's bent. But here it is. Yep, that failed. No smoke, no noise. Just all of a sudden, bang. And then smoke and noise. So, pulley's good, but the bearing shot. Out, and my brother ran into the back of me with the truck and put a hole through the steer tire on the other side of the truck, so at least the pickup's here.
looks good there. Beached.